These type of miniature fruit videos are trending on Instagram right now. Take a look at this Instagram account. It has gained more than 2 lakh followers, and one of his video has crossed 123 million views. So today I will show you how you can create these type of miniature fruit videos using AI. Here is the one I had created in just 5 minutes. First, I had designed a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description. Copy the whole prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then GPT will provide us 10 different topic ideas. For example, I am going with third one. Then GPT will provide us 4 scene image prompt and related video prompts. Copy the first scene image prompt. Now open Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and paste the prompt here. And hit Generate. And look how this came out. The extraction of orange juice. Now add this image as reference. Copy the second image prompt from GPT and paste it here. And our second image is also ready. Using the same way, generate all the 4 images. Once you had all the images ready, let's turn them into videos. Now click Create Video, choose Frames to Video, upload the first generated image as frame 1. Copy the first video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. And just like that, our first video clip is ready. Save it. And now repeat the exact same process to generate all the 4 video clips and save them. Once you have all the scenes ready, open your editing software, import all the clips, arrange them in correct order, add some cuts and transitions, and your video is ready. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are provided in the description, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.